Okay, which graph matches the table below? So our x and y, it starts at 12 and 8. So that we may first want to see if 12 and 8 is on 1. So if you notice, it only goes to 6 up and 6 down, which means none of these are going to have 12 and 8 or anything larger. So what we need to do is find where the numbers would have been smaller. So if we're going to have x and y, 12 to 8 can be simplified. Say if we divide by 2, so then you're going to get 6 over 4. So 6 to 4, we can see if one of these has 6, we come over 6 and 4. There's that one. 6, not on B. On C, it doesn't come over to 6, and D, and it does not come over. So A is the only answer that has 6 and 4. If you want to check it further, you could always simplify again. Divide by 2 to get 3, 2, and that would confirm 3, 2 is on there. So A is your answer.